Today's session will go with the complete 15-mark problem on depreciation. Under depreciation, we have a problem like you have opening balance, you have purchases. Never go for actual cost, always do your problem on WDV. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your ALsir here, lecturer in Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are in the session 2 of your topic called Income Tax 1. Under Income Tax 1, we are discussing the topic depreciation. In the previous session, we done with one complete problem on depreciation. And in today's session, we'll go with the complete 15-mark problem on depreciation. What is depreciation and what type of problems you will get on depreciation? Now, so under depreciation, we have a problem like you have opening balance, you have purchases, and you have sales also. If you get opening, purchase, and sales, how to do? Now, opening WDV will be given in the question. Add any purchases are there. Finally, we deduct sales. Opening plus purchase minus sales will be your closing balance. Whatever closing you will get, on that we calculate depreciation. These are the information we have. The following are the particulars of assets of a limited company as on 1/4/2020. Assets are actual cost, WDV rate. Remember, even though you purchased for 10 lakh, we don't consider 10 lakh, we go for 8,10,000. Never go for actual cost, always do your problem on WDV. This thing not required for your calculation. For your calculation, always go with WDV value. Now, you have building A and B. A is 8,10,000, B is 15,04,800. Now, what is the percentage? One is 10%, another one is 5. Why it is 5? It is a residential purpose. Why it is 10%? It is commercial purpose. Now, so you have two types of building. One is 5%, another one is 10%. Then, plant and machinery, we have 3. PQR. Should we go with actual or WDV? WDV. You have 3 lakh, 2 lakh 88, 3 lakh 77, 500. And what about percentage? 15, 40, 15. These two you can call it as 1. Why? Because the value is, the depreciation is 15% for both. Now, the company acquires the following asset during the financial year 1920. Now, you have asset, you have cost, date of put to use, and rate. Now, these are the acquires. Acquires means what? These are purchases. Now, building. So, always if you want to add, how do we add? Like building, we have C and D. First building at 5%, second building at 10%. What to do? I'll go back. For 5%, you have 15,04,000. Add this 3 lakh. And for 10%, you have 8,10,000. Add this 7 lakh. For that, you should add this one. For this, you should add this one. So, according to percentage, you have to categorize. Opening balance of 5% building, purchase of 5% building, sale of 5% building. Hope you are clear. Yes, building is over. Machinery, you have 15% and 40%. These are the purchases. And the next category will be all the sales. You have building, there is a sale 9 lakh and 19 lakh. And plant and machinery, there is a sale 4 lakh 50 and 5 lakh. Clear? Building, specifically they have mentioned which building is sold. Building A is sold. Building B is sold. Plant R is sold. Plant Q is sold. Now, compute WDV and the amount of depreciation for the assessment year 2021. Assessee is entitled to additional depreciation on plant and machinery is allowed 15%. These are the information you have. Now, computation of total depreciation for the assessment year 2020 and 2021. Particular amount and total. First, we go with block 1. I'll go one by one. We started answer from here. This is your solution part. Now, rate of depreciation is what? 5%. Building is what? B. Now, rate of depreciation 5%. We go with the smallest number. I'll go back to question. What is a 5%? 15 lakh 4,500. So, what is your opening value? The opening value is 15 lakh 4,500 plus 3 lakh. Total how much it is? 18 lakh 800. Now, minus sale. Why it is sale? See, A is sold for 9 lakh, B is sold for 19 lakh. Now, so B is sold for 19 lakh. 18 lakh 4,000 minus 19 lakh, your answer is 95,200. See, your building value is 18 lakh, but you are selling at what price? 19 lakh. More than actual value. More than actual value means that is capital gain. If there is a capital gain, we don't calculate depreciation. Any doubt? 10 rupees asset you sold for 12 rupees means there is a capital gain. There is no question of depreciation. Then come to second one. Your block 2 rate of depreciation is 10% and your building value 8 lakh 10. What is the purchases? 7 lakh. I'll show you. What is the value of building? 8 lakh 10. Your 10% building is 8 lakh 10. What is the purchases? 7 lakh is a purchase for 10% building. What is the sale? Your building is sold for 9 lakh. All the information you have? Yes. Now, 8 lakh 10,000 plus 7 lakh, it is 15 lakh 10 minus 9 lakh, you got 6 lakh 10,000. From 6 lakh 10,000, you have to calculate depreciation. See, your value is how much? 15 lakh. Sold at what? Less, 9 lakh. Closing is 6 lakh 10. Now, if 15 lakh, your sold is more than 15 lakh, capital gain. Now it is less only. 15 minus 9, it is 6 lakh. On 6 lakh 10,000, calculate 10%. It will be 30,500. Your final answer is 5 lakh 79,500. Hope you are clear. Good. You got 5 lakh 79,500 as your answer. We calculated 50% depreciation. Why? I'll show you. Your building was acquired or purchased. When it is purchased, 1/3/2020. Your year begins when? 1/4/19 to 31st March 20. It begins on 1/4/19, ends on 31st March 20. Now, anything which is purchased on October 2nd onwards, it will be what? Half depreciation. After October 1st, anything you purchase, we call it as half depreciation. Remember, Gandhi Jayanti is when? October 2nd. Anything purchased after Gandhi Jayanti, half depreciation. Now, this is purchased when? March, after Gandhi Jayanti, because your year ends on 31st March. So, almost end of the year you purchased. So, half depreciation. See, they calculated half. So, it will be what? Say 50% of 10%. 30,500 final answer, 5 lakh 79. But what is your depreciation? Your depreciation is 30,500. Clear? Your final answer of depreciation will come outer column. Now, similarly, you go for the block 3. Block 3 means what? Plant and machinery. Now, your plant and machinery is how much? We have 2 plants with 15%. I'll go back to your question. There is a plant of Like 15% there is a plant, 15% one more plant is there. What is the value? We have 3 lakh and we have 3 lakh 37. Add both, it will be 6 lakh 37 500. See, 6 lakh 37 500, 3 lakh and 3 lakh 37. What is the purchases? There is a purchase of, yes, with the same percentage. How much it is? 3 lakh. Total how much? 9 lakh 37 500. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, there is a sale of R at what price? 4 lakh 50. Sale of R at what price? 4 lakh 50. Your final answer will be 4 lakh 87 500. How to calculate depreciation? I'll show you. 4 lakh 87 500. In this, there is a purchase of new plant. 3 lakh. Exclude. Why? Because it is purchased on 1st December after Gandhi Jayanti. Remember, if it is purchased before Gandhi Jayanti, we don't bifurcate because everything comes under 10%, 15%. But out of 4 lakh 87 500, whatever you purchase 3 lakh, this is your closing balance. You have to calculate depreciation on 4 lakh 87 500. Whatever you have 4 lakh 87 500, in this 3 lakh whatever you purchased included. That 3 lakh you purchased when? After Gandhi Jayanti. You cannot calculate 15% directly. You have to remove that 3 lakh because for that 3 lakh half depreciation. Now see, 3 lakh you removed, balance is 187 500. 187 500 into 15%, you got 28 127. Now you calculate on 3 lakh. See, any new asset purchased, additional 20% we calculate. In the last class I explained you, any new machinery purchased with a normal depreciation, additional 20%. Now see, 3 lakh into 15% into 50%, 3 lakh into 20% into 50%. So you got how much? 1 depreciation 28, 1 depreciation 22, 1 depreciation around 30. If you add everything, you will get 80,625. Hope you are clear. In your depreciation, the only complicated thing is this one. If you understand this, this is easy. Now, again I'll repeat. From total minus add purchases, you got 9 lakh 37. Sale of 4 lakh 50, you got 4 lakh 87. Under 4 lakh 87 500, we already purchased 3 lakh. This we have to separate, and this is how much? 1 lakh 87 500. On this half depreciation, on this full depreciation. That's it. Now, in case this is purchased before Gandhi Jayanti, before October 2nd, then this kind of bifurcation not required. Directly calculate 15%. Clear? Yes. So now we have these two, like you have rate of depreciation, like plant of machinery, we have 2 lakh 88. That is your opening balance. I'll show you that. So 2 lakh 88 you got opening balance. Is there any purchases? Yes, we have a purchase of around 2 lakh. Sales, yes, we have sale of 5 lakh. Now, opening balance, purchases minus sale, you got around 12,000. What is that 12,000? 12,000 will be your short-term capital gain. That depreciation will be 0. What is the total depreciation now? I'll show you. The first one answer nil. Second answer 30,500. 80,650. 30,500 plus 80,650. You will get 1,11,125. This is your final answer for depreciation. I'll go back to all the slides. Please take screenshot. So this is your question. Second part of your question. Last part of your question. Solution part 1. Solution part 2. Solution part 3. Solution part 4. It is a final answer. So you have to do it in the single column only. But here I don't have sufficient space. That's why I have taken much space and much slides. Please work out at home. It is very important for your examination. Thank you.